to Morocco, down to Asia.
Take time, catch a ride, follow with a baseline. Came through with a space line, gotta say it even though I know you heard it through the grapevine. Be cool, I'm chill, never been a type to get hype and make fights. Energy is not for that, and I advise you put it towards what you love doing in life. They pick up my flaws, they commend me when I write. I challenge myself at all costs and all times. They give you some fake shit, lies and poor rhymes. Shit blows my mind, living in a dark place in the dark ages. I can see what's on the other side, I can't wait till we're all on the other side. I'll say, there's gonna be a revolution, better partake. What'll be the right solution here in our case? Tell me, never could've let the system fail me. Never could've let them business sell me. Mama didn't grow me up to be a dick, selfless to the core. What I have, I'll give, ain't nothing. Then I get shut down like it ain't nothing. Anybody got an issue, you can say something. Take nothing, that will make something. That's how it goes.
Praise on, send them where I go. Still amazing, and to me. Canary Islands to Morocco, down to Asia and the Philippines. One to the world and the sea.
So if you want
This must be
the best combat player I've ever seen, the last race, this man broke his arm.
Heads up when the phone's go down. Nobody will try give you a heads up when shit goes south and it's still go crazy. But it's so sweet when you get from the cane to the T and the tree to the paper. I make what I see, and what I see is.
Where there's a wheel, there's a way. Unforgivable cycling sins, which make motorists mad and cyclists, sometimes, silent forever. Cutting in is a quick way to the mortuary, and so is shooting out, without regard for oncoming traffic. So don't.
It takes the sigh out of cycling.